Hello and welcome to Math 200 Online Statistics at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video, we will do a homework problem from section 8.4. It says that we're going to assume that a simple random sample has been selected and we want to test the given claim. Identify the null and alternative hypotheses, the test statistic, the p-value, and state the final conclusion that addresses the original claim. The problem says that listed below are brain volumes in cubic centimeters of unrelated subjects used in a study. They want us to use a 0.01 significance level to test the claim that the population of brain volumes have a mean that is equal to 1100.7 cubic centimeters. So our claim says that it has to be equal to that. So the equal signs always have to go to the null hypothesis. So we have A, B, and D as possibilities. And the opposite of that claim is the not equal to. So the opposite is not greater than or less than, it's going to be the not equal to. So this is going to be our null and alternative hypotheses. Next, they're going to want us to find the test statistic, the p-value, and then make our conclusion. For this problem, we're going to go to StatCrunch. So our problems allow us to open up a StatCrunch window with the data already set for us. So here we go. This is our data set. We can find our general statistics that's involved, or we can just jump to doing this problem. And that's what we'll do. This is going to involve a t-test with one sample, and we have the original data set listed in the first variable column. So var1, let's just build it as a new window. We have a hypothesis test, and we're testing for this thing to be equal to 1100.7. Let's double check that. 1100.7. So that is correct. That is our null hypothesis. And our alternative hypothesis is a not equal to, which is going to give us a two-tail test. We could plot the p-value if we want. Let's go ahead and take a look at that just so we can see what's actually happening. Alright, here's a computation. And here are the results. The p-value graph looks like this. It looks like it's fairly close to 0. We'll see that the test statistic here is 0.79. So that is a pretty small test statistic, and that would usually lead to a larger p-value than usual. And p-value is 0.4467. Okay. So let's make a note of these numbers. Our test statistic, I'm going to copy this much and paste it on to our answer. And they want us to round off to 3 decimal places. So this is our 4th decimal place. It's bigger than 5. We're going to add 1 to 5, so that's going to be 6. And let's take a look at our p-value. Our p-value, again, is fairly big, 0.44. And they want us to round off to 4 decimal places. Our computer already rounded it to 4 decimal places, so we'll just take that. Now our p-value is really large, and so it's definitely bigger than 0.01, the significance level. So we are unable to reject the claim, so we're going to fail to reject the claim for this one. So our answer is either B or D. So we fail to reject the claim, and the claim was our null hypothesis, because remember the claim says that the population has brain volumes that's equal to. So the claim says it's equal to, and when we're testing we're trying to reject the null hypothesis, which in this case happens to be the claim. So we were not able to reject the null hypothesis. So there's not sufficient evidence to reject the claim, which is the null hypothesis. The other choice for failing to reject is that there is insufficient evidence to warrant a rejection of the claim. Oh yeah, this is it. We're not able to reject the claim, so there's insufficient evidence to reject the claim. So our answer is going to be D. Okay. All right. I hope that helps.